How do we prevent allergenic contamination? Some people are allergic to particular foods, and they have a bad reaction when they eat these foods. These types of foods are called allergens. Some allergies are so serious that even just a small amount of the allergen can have a severe reaction. So for this reason, we need to ensure that these foods are kept completely separate at all times. Common allergens include nuts, seafood, celery, tomato, and dairy products. Allergenic foods need to be separated from the moment they are delivered at your establishment. In other words, they should also be stored separately, prepared separately, displayed, and served separately. All foods also need to be labeled clearly to ensure that an allergen is not confused for another ingredient. The packaging of all foods must be airtight and must not allow other foods or chemicals to come into contact with the food. All of the surfaces with which food will come into contact also need to be thoroughly cleaned to remove all traces of the allergens that you have prepared. Other staff that are not preparing food, such as waiters or service staff and bar staff, also need to be informed of the dangers of allergens to ensure the health of your guests. These staff members should also be sure to find out whether a guest has an allergy, and they need to communicate this to all of the parties involved, including the kitchen team. If a guest eats something to which they are allergic, and they have indicated that they are allergic to it, the responsibility will fall on your shoulders and the shoulders of anyone involved in the preparation and service of the food. Take extra care when dealing with known allergens, and you are sure to keep your guests and yourself healthy at all times.